OpenAI, in its pursuit of revolutionizing artificial intelligence, has recently launched the highly coveted GPT Store. This groundbreaking project offers vast opportunities to AI enthusiasts, developers and businesses worldwide. The GPT Store is an incredible manifestation of AI technology, serving as a platform for exchanging AI products and a forum for users to explore and create custom versions of ChatGPT. ChatGPT, an AI product of OpenAI, is known for its human-like interaction in text conversations. Previously used in diverse applications, it is now available for customization on the GPT Store, allowing users to imbue it with specific skills and knowledge. The GPT Store is more than a marketplace, it's an innovation hub. Users can now adapt ChatGPT to become an AI that truly meets their needs. Whether it's comprehending scientific jargon or discussing pop culture, the options are limitless. With the GPT Store, the potential applications ChatGPT have multiplied. Users can create AI tutors, virtual assistants versed in industry jargon, or even digital friends who enjoy the same TV shows. Each custom version is testament to the power of technology and innovation. 2 months post-launch, the GPT Store has witnessed an overwhelming response. Over 3 million custom versions have been created. This figure not only highlights the platform's user-friendliness, but also the curiosity of its users. The GPT Store has not only demonstrated the AI's adaptability, but has also fostered a spirit of sharing and collaboration. It is evident that OpenAI's GPT Store has truly made a significant impact, and it's only just the beginning. The GPT Store is initially available to ChatGPT Plus, Team and Enterprise users. A hub for all things related to generative pre-trained transformers, or GPTs, it provides first-hand access to a plethora of AI tools. The GPT Store offers a diverse range of GPTs, each created with technical expertise and user-driven focus. These GPTs are categorized into domains such as writing, research, programming, education, and lifestyle. Each category serves a specific user base: students, professionals, tech enthusiasts, or AI lovers. For instance, writing GPTs assist in composing essays or drafting professional emails. Research GPTs aid with data analysis and synthesis of complex data. Programming GPTs simplify coding and debugging, while education GPTs offer interactive learning and tutoring. On the other hand, lifestyle GPTs offer applications from fitness and health to travel planning. The store updates its offerings weekly, ensuring a dynamic environment. Each week, new featured GPTs are highlighted for the users, which include trail recommendations from all trails, academic paper synthesis with consensus, coding skills with Khan Academy's Code Tutor, and more. The GPT Store, with its diverse offerings, is indeed a treasure trove of AI resources, evolving every week to provide its users with the latest tools and applications. Weekly, new featured GPTs are highlighted, including trail recommendations from all trails, academic paper synthesis with consensus, coding skills with Khan Academy's Code Tutor, and more. Creating and sharing a GPT, a text-generating AI model, is a simple process that does not need coding expertise. It's as uncomplicated as pie, ideal even for those with only basic AI knowledge. The process is transparent, guiding you through creating and sharing your GPT. This technology democratizes AI development, shifting it from the control of tech giants to anyone, irrespective of their location or education. It's an opportunity for people to actively participate in the AI world. To be included in the store, GPTs must comply with usage policies and brand guidelines for safety and quality assurance. These policies ensure ethical and responsible usage, providing a shield against misuse and potential privacy and intellectual property violations. These guidelines bolster OpenAI's brand identity, promoting responsible open-source AI. They ensure a consistent user experience, implying that every GPT on the platform meets the same high-quality standard. They also maintain user trust and safety. Additionally, in 2024, OpenAI plans to launch a GPT Builder revenue program, allowing creators to earn based on user engagement. OpenAI has unveiled the ChatGPT Team, a revolutionary new offering with advanced models. This innovation is set to change the game by offering distinct features, thereby taking technology one step ahead. These models are primed to provide users with an enriched and efficient experience. A significant element is collaborative workspaces, devised to promote teamwork. These are not typical platforms for interaction, but tools that aid in fruitful discussions and brainstorming. They cater to a wide variety of teams, from small startups to large corporations, ensuring benefits for all scales of operation. The integration of admin tools for team management is another inventive approach. These tools simplify and streamline team management, offering resources to track progress, allot tasks, and manage workload efficiently. The admin tools mark a new phase in team management, leading to a more systematic and productive process. The launch of the ChatGPT team is a testament to OpenAI's commitment to fostering technological growth. This progression signifies OpenAI's dedication to making GPTs more accessible and useful in diverse fields. OpenAI's ambition to consistently push the boundaries and redefine norms truly sets it apart. This video will guide viewers through the new features of the GPT Store and the process of creating and sharing a custom GPT. We kick off by highlighting the store's modern design and user-friendly interface, which guarantees a smooth user experience. Next, we spotlight the store's new feature, creating and customizing your own GPT. The customization tools in the store provide unmatched flexibility, enabling users to shape their GPT to meet their needs, opening up limitless possibilities. We then delve into creating a custom GPT, from choosing the base model to selecting the right training data and adjusting the parameters. All steps are explained in detail. We also offer tips to maximize the use of your custom GPT. Another innovative feature is the ability to share your custom GPT. We show how share your creations, promoting a sense of community. The process is simple, secure, and user-friendly. We then hear from Sam Altman, a leading figure in the AI world. Sam shares his thoughts on the potential of the GPT Store, explaining why he sees it as a game-changer in AI-powered tools and how it could revolutionize our interaction with technology. Sam's enthusiasm for the GPT Store is contagious. He foresees the creation and sharing of custom GPTs, democratizing access to potent AI, enabling individuals and organizations to tap into these tools innovatively. In conclusion, this video serves as a comprehensive guide to the fascinating features and processes of the GPT Store. It also includes insights from Sam Altman about the potential of the GPT Store and its impact on the future of AI-powered tools.